This quick video is about how to access and download YouTube audio library music using any Android phone. Okay, first to open YouTube app, then click on your profile. Now tap Help and Feedback. And here just type audio library. Then open this first link, use music and sound effects from the audio library. And here touch this youtube.com/audio library. Then it automatically redirects you to the YouTube audio library and just sign into your YouTube account. Yeah, here. Now here you can search and download copyright free background music, or you can also download the sound effects. To download any music, just touch here, then automatically that file starts downloading to your file manager like this. Likewise, you can download any music or sound effects. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.